Some of the greatest ideas in science, the ones that truly reshape our understanding of the world, often begin in the most unexpected places, far from bustling cities and renowned institutions. They emerge from quiet observations, in the heart of nature's untouched corners. It was in 1835 that a young Charles Darwin, full of curiosity and a thirst for knowledge, set foot on the wild and volcanic Galápagos Islands, a unique archipelago teeming with creatures found nowhere else on Earth. Among this incredible biodiversity, he keenly noticed a variety of small, seemingly similar-looking birds, finches, with each island hosting its own unique types, each subtly different from the others. Darwin meticulously collected these birds, carefully documenting their features and habitats, not yet fully realizing the profound significance these small creatures held for his future theories. Back in England, surrounded by his notes and specimens, he consulted with ornithologists and learned that they were indeed all finches, but each island's finch was classified as a distinct species, adapted to its specific environment. This seemingly small discovery sparked a revolution in scientific thought, revealing the powerful truth that life is not static, but constantly adapts and changes over time, intricately shaped by its surrounding environment and ecological pressures. The finches of the Galapagos quickly became a powerful symbol of evolution, vividly showing how nature sculpts life through the process of natural selection to perfectly fit its unique surroundings and ecological niche. Their story continues to unfold, with ongoing research revealing even more about their adaptation, inspiring new generations of scientists and thinkers to delve deeper and explore the endless mysteries of evolution and the interconnectedness of life on Earth. The secret of the finches, those iconic birds of the Galapagos, lies in their beaks. It's a story etched in the very structure of their faces. Each species' beak is perfectly shaped for its food, a testament to the power of adaptation. Some possess broad and strong beaks, ideal for cracking open tough seeds. Others have slender, delicate beaks perfectly suited for probing into crevices to snatch insects. And then there's the extraordinary vampire finch, which evolved a sharp beak, not for seeds or insects, but to daringly drink blood from other birds. The beak's shape fundamentally determines what a finch can eat, dictating its diet and survival strategy, and consequently, where it can survive within the diverse Galapagos ecosystem. Darwin, during his voyage on the Beagle, keenly realized this wasn't just a random assortment of beak shapes. The environment itself, with its unique food sources, had actively shaped the beaks over time. This was evolution in plain sight, driven by the relentless force of natural selection. A finch born with the wrong beak, a beak unsuited for the available food on its island, would inevitably struggle and ultimately starve. Over countless generations, spanning vast stretches of time, tiny, almost imperceptible changes in beak shape accumulated. These accumulated changes, amplified over eons, eventually led to the emergence of entirely new species. The beaks of the finches revealed evolution not as an abstract concept, but as a dynamic process in action, species adapting and diversifying to fill every available ecological niche within their island homes. The direct connection between the tool, the beak, and the task it performed was undeniable, a clear and compelling piece of evidence. The mystery of the beaks, once a puzzle that intrigued Darwin, was, in the end, the answer itself, a powerful demonstration of evolutionary adaptation. Darwin's groundbreaking theory of evolution by natural selection, while revolutionary, still needed concrete proof to solidify its place in the scientific community. The challenge was to observe evolution in action, to witness the process unfolding in real time. This required dedicated, long-term studies in the field. Enter Peter and Rosemary Grant, two evolutionary biologists who embarked on an extraordinary research journey, spending decades meticulously studying finches on the small, isolated island of Daphne Major, tracking every finch, documenting their lives, and measuring their physical traits with unparalleled precision. Their dedication was soon tested. In 1977, a severe drought struck the Galapagos Islands, transforming the lush landscape into a parched and barren wasteland. The drought dramatically altered the availability of food. Only finches with big, strong beaks possessing the necessary power could crack the tough, larger seeds that remained after the smaller, softer seeds had been depleted. The consequences were devastating. Many birds, particularly those with smaller beaks, were unable to adapt and died, but those with larger beaks, better equipped to exploit the available food source, survived the harsh conditions. These survivors then passed on their genes, including the genes for larger beaks, to their offspring. As a result, the population's average beak size increased noticeably in a single season, a remarkable demonstration of rapid adaptation. This was a clear and compelling case of natural selection in action, observable within a single generation. Then, just a few years later, in 1983, El Niño brought unusually heavy rains to the Galápagos, leading to a proliferation of plants producing tiny, easily consumed seeds. Under these new conditions, finches with smaller, more delicate beaks thrived, and the population's beak size distribution shifted once again, favoring smaller beaks. Through their meticulous observations, the Grants witnessed evolution not as a static endpoint, but as a dynamic process, constantly responding to environmental pressures. The direction of evolution was not predetermined, but rather shifted with the ever-changing environment. Evolution wasn't a slow and distant phenomenon occurring over vast stretches of geological time. It was a tangible reality, happening right before their eyes, in a time frame that could be measured in years, not millennia. The finches' survival and the survival of their lineage depended entirely on their ability to adapt to the prevailing environmental conditions, generation by generation, a testament to the power and immediacy of natural selection. For years, the mechanism behind beak changes was a mystery. Modern science revealed the answer: DNA. By comparing finch genomes, scientists found a key gene, ALX1, shaping beak size and form. Tiny changes in ALX1 led to the beak variation seen after droughts and rains. Birds with the right gene version survived and passed it on. Evolution became measurable, a shift in gene frequency, not just survival. Over time, these genetic changes can split populations into new species. The story of the finches is written in their genes, shaped by nature's pressures. Darwin's finches show that evolution is ongoing, not just ancient history. The Grants and geneticists have given us a front-row seat to nature's creative force. As our world changes rapidly, the finches teach us about adaptation and survival. Their story helps us understand medicine, conservation, and how life responds to new challenges. The principles are universal. Adaptation depends on genetic variation. The finches are a testament to life's resilience and creativity. By studying them, we learn about the ever-changing web of life and our place in it. The story of evolution continues with new secrets waiting to be discovered.